Today I am going to make chicken saslik. Now let's marinate chicken and vegetables. I am using onion, capsicum, tomato. It should be cut like this, square shape. Take a bowl, add boneless chicken. Add onion, capsicum and tomato. I added ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder and chicken masala powder, black pepper powder, turmeric powder, salt, soya sauce. Mix well carefully. Vegetables should not be cut. Now chicken and vegetables are nicely mixed with masalas. Keep it aside for half an hour. After half an hour, now let's make dipping. Take 2 eggs. Add pinch of pepper. Add pinch of salt. Mix it well. Let's prepare chicken salad. For that I have soaked skewers in water. Minimum 3 pieces of chicken should be there. Dip into egg mixture. Coat with breadcrumbs. Now saslik is ready to fry.